Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, this is Amin and welcome to my Lead Amin YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel now I will discuss about my 108,000 plus Shopify email list database that I have already collected. Before starting the tutorial, I am requesting you, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and other social media so that other people can also learn about this video. And after watching this video, if you have any kinds of lead generation, email list building, LinkedIn data scraping, bulk email verification and web scraping projects, and you are looking for a professional freelancer for long-term business relationship, you can hire me. All my contact details you will find on the video description below, also on my website leadamin.business.site. So friends, let's start the tutorial. This is my Shopify email list database. Here you see that the total number of email I have already this number. So here is the total number is 10108902. So this is the total number of Shopify email list I have. Among this email I have total, you see here, I have total 74,000 plus emails are okay, and 25,000 plus emails are catch all, and here you see that 8,000 plus emails are unknown. Now if you don't know the okay, catch all or unknown, then I will explain you all these terms at the end of the video. Please watch the full video so that you can understand everything very clearly. Actually, I have used one of my favorite email verification system. The email verification system I have used is Millions Verifier. So I have verified all of these email lists using the Millions Verifier. I will give that website link on my video description so that you can easily access this. Now I will discuss about the OK, catch all and the unknown emails details. Actually, when we verified the email list using the Millions Verifier classified the emails into three parts. So good emails, risky emails and bad emails. So good emails are the OK emails are 100% valid emails. This is known as good emails. So OK emails you are 100% safe to send, and you can easily run your email campaign using the OK emails that I have already 74,000 plus emails are OK. Risky emails are divided into two parts, unknown emails and the catch all emails. Catch all emails are sometimes also known as the accept all emails. So the unknown emails means in the email verification system, the Millions Verifier are unable to verify the email address, and catch all email address are also known as accept email address. I already told you, and this email address sometimes does not exist. And for the bad emails, this is known as invalid and disposal email address that I have already removed from my list. You can also find about more details about the email verification system on the Millions Verifier website that I will give on my site. So this is the total email list database that I have. And now if you need this type of email list at a cheap rate, you can order me. All my contact details you will find on the video description. I already told you. So if you have any question about this email list or about my service, please comment on the video, or you can directly contact me through my contact details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please take care and stay safe. Bye.